joining me in this tutorial. Here in this one, I'm going to show you a Laravel based application, and it's a job portal basically. The login page of which looks like this. So the application is running on my local device right now, and there are two options which you can see on the top of this home page. There is this join now option and there is this sign in option. So if you are already a member on this portal, you can simply click the sign in option and it will redirect you to the login page. However, if your profile is not there on this application, you have to click here on register and it will take you to the registration page where you can simply fill your details like this, and then you can use the same for logging into the application. For now, let me use some other email. So I already have a profile registered with this email ID. I'm going to use a different one, angora1266@gmail.com, and the password which I've written over here is password, and here also I've written password. Let's register the profile. So this is how the homepage of the application looks like. Okay, you can check the profile page. You can also log out from the application by clicking the logout button. Now let's come back on the sign in page and let's again use this email ID and the password for logging into the application. Okay, so as you can see right now, there is nothing over here on this page. Let's come on the jobs page. So there are no jobs which we can see over here. How a person can enter the job into this particular portal and how the job comes over here on this page, let me show you that too. So basically the admin has to upload the jobs. Okay, once the admin uploads the jobs, what happens is automatically the users are able to see the jobs over here on this page. Let me show it to you once. So there is a table called jobs. Okay, you need to come here on structure. So as you can see, there are 22 different fields. Okay, let's enter the details for these 22 fields and let's create a job profile quickly. So I'm going to write to here, title, let's say Laravel developer. Okay, and then slug, okay, none. Company name, let's say Microsoft, and then category ID, we are looking for an application programmer. Let's go with application programming, no problem. User ID, so I have logged in with this one, and then enum, let's make it 2. City ID, browse foreign values, so you can browse from this particular table. Whatever city you want to select, you can just click that and automatically it will get selected like this in the form of a city ID. Then description, let's check out the description on the web portal on Google. So I need a description for Laravel PHP developer. Okay, job description I am looking for. Okay, I think this will do. So copying this and pasting it over here. Then comes your next thing, which is description QL. Okay, let's describe it. So I'm going to copy these particular points and I'm pasting them over here. Deadline is going to be let's make it 28th of this month. Hiring. Okay, so let's copy some other things and paste that over here. Okay, let me copy this and I'm quickly pasting it over here. And then monthly salary, minimum monthly salary will be, let's make it 50,000, and maximum it will be 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 lakhs. Status is 1 year passing from. Okay, let's make it 2023, passing to 2023, experience from 2011, and then experience to 2023. Gender, created at. Okay, let's select the current timestamp updated at, and let's again select the current timestamp, no problem. Okay, I think this should do. What is this? Okay, we need not to fill these details. I think we are done with filling all the 22. Right, let's go. Okay, there seems to be some issue. Let me just browse and again check these details, whether everything is there or not. Yeah, I think everything is fine. Let's come on the job portal and refresh this page. Okay, we can see the job over here. Right. So, this is how the jobs can be created and the user can see the jobs. Let's sign out. Okay, let's go. If we click, so it redirects us to the job sign in page, and then here we can fill the login details and it redirects us to this page again, jobs. Okay, so this is how the whole portal works, right? If you want to develop these similar kind of portals, you can contact me. And also if you want to learn things like this, you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screen. I hope you guys enjoyed this lecture a lot. Bye bye, Lara.